Button. Tell your friends, people, whatever, about my channel. And yeah, today we are going to be drawing an owl. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Comment what I should always do next. So to start off with the owl, we are going to do a long curve like that. Let me just get it a little bit darker right there. I'm sorry if you could hear my cat. She's in my room right now because I switched it to my room, like not at a desk. So I'm at my desk in my room. So yeah. So now after you're done with this side, we are going to do a small little curve just like that. Let me just bolden it out, just like there. Okay, just like that, and then now we are going to do a straight line, like that, across the top of the head. And I'm just gonna bold it out for y'all. Y'all, I'm not, well, I am country, kind of. So, just like that. And then just do that curve that we did on the other side of the owl ear. Just like that. And now we are going to go under with the big curve, just like as we did on the other side. So let me bolden that out for y'all and I'll be right back. Just like this, and then we are going to draw the eye. First off, we are going to do a curve line down. I'm just gonna make this all bolded out for you guys. Oh my gosh, my cat. Are you crazy? What's wrong with you? Okay. So now we are going, after you're done, we are going to do up curve, and then we are going to go down on that curve line. As we did with the other eye. In my video yesterday, the dinosaur one, it's called 1000 BC, drawing a 1000 BC dinosaur. Make sure to check that out because it is pretty cool. I forgot to show you guys the finishing touch, but it looked pretty cool. As you guys could see at the end of the video, if you guys saw it, you'd see that I didn't show you the whole thing. So make sure to check that video out. And so now after we are done with this, we are going to draw a circle like that, and then a smaller circle. Just like that. Then we are going to do a curve line from the top to the bottom. Just like that. And I'll be right back when I am done with coloring it in with my small little pen. So small. It's a thin line. So I'm done now. Now it's time for the beak, I think. So we're going to draw a little curved line down. Just like that. And then we are going to do one. Oh my gosh, my cat is. Annabelle, let me get her down. Come here. Oh no. Oh, come. Don't hit my camera. Fine, let me let you outside. Her, go. Go and be free. I let her out and she is now free. She's probably gonna attack my dog now, so yeah. Okay, it should look like that. Now we are going to do a long line just like that. Then a long line connecting. Then just folding it out. Just like that. And then with this one, you're gonna push hard on it, so it's like a straight line there. Just like that, and now it's time for the other eye. So do the exact same thing as we did with that other eye. I'm trying to make this bold because it makes it like see better. So now I'm just going to do the exact same thing as we did on the other eye. So now we are going to do like the chest part. Now from right here, not at the top of it, do a curved line like that. And then we are going to do a straight line and then curve. And then straight. And then just do a long curve until it reaches the other side. Just like this. And then just, when you see a straight line, you put a straight line there. But this one you have to go up. And I don't care if you do it down this way. I just did it that way, so I was just doing that eye, so like I just wanted to do it from there. Now let me bolden it out and just like that. And now we are going to just do small little lines to represent he has fur. Just like that. And now we are going to finish it off by doing a curved line into his chest part. And now do it on both sides, just like that. And then bolden it out. You guys don't have to do it bold, but you could do whatever. It's not all gonna be correct. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I do. Please drop a big fat like and subscribe for the channel. It really is a big help for me. Let's try to get 20 subscribers by the end of the week. Let me try that. And today is Sunday, so yeah. I hope you all enjoy this video as much as I do. Please like and subscribe. And guys, I'll see you in the